Guys, in this video we're going to be taking my old Nitro Savage out for a rip. And we jump it over a Land Rover and have a runaway. So I've had this Savage for a few years now, and we're going to be taking it over to Spike's compound to give it a blast. Spike's actually got my old Savage that I had maybe over 15 years ago. So we're going to try and get Spike's one running, we're going to get this one running, we're going to take him out for a rip. So this Savage has many modifications. We've got an LRP, 32 big block engine, racing pipe, we've got RPM arms, double shocks, bulletproof hinge pin braces, all metal transmission, lossy tank, which has got a clunk in there, which means when it rolls over, the engine's going to keep running. Alloy rear knuckles, alloy steering rack, and coming along for the ride too is a Mini Max, blah blah blah. That's enough babble, let's go out and play. So here we are in Depot Spike. This used to be my Savage about 15 years ago, probably even longer. It's not been ran for, I don't know, when did you last use it, Spike?
So it's before 2007 was the last time that was running.
Look at this 6x6, man. There's my 6x6. There's Spike's 6x6. So anyway, it looks like everything is there, but there's no radio, I don't think.
Slightly retro, yeah.
So hopefully this is going to get the engine freed up. We don't know where the radio gear is. Is it this?
We think it's that. It might be that.
No, I don't think it is that.
No. It's the old icon.
So anyway, we've got a different radio here. We're going to bung that on it. This is a different body than when I had it. When I had it, it was a red El Camino RB28 engine with loads of horsepower.
I think this is dead.
Yeah, I've got a drill. Man, that 6x6 is sick. Brand new old glow plug. Open sesame. Look, look, look.
What's the nitro on this?
Opti Fuel 25. Go on, Sparkage. Plug him in, lad.
Plug him in. Oh, oh.
Oh, there's a noise. Oh.
We got life.
We got power. So now we just got to see if it runs. Fire him up, boy. God, that must have been about 15 years ago this was last started.
It's got to be, yeah.
When did it start?
Ooh.
Ooh. Oh. In the facial.
She's a bit flooded, Kev.
Face shot.
It's almost auto braking at the moment.
Run away!
Running away!
Run away! The brakes are good, it's adjusting a bit.
Yeah, it needs adjusting because if I let off, it just
yeah.
Yeah.
That's better than no brakes.
It's a bit smoky, but
Yeah.
needed a good run. Oh,
What's going on? Round number 2. Attempt number 3.
Run away!
There he goes.
It's alright, stop. Yeah, it's open up a bit.
Oh, tumble wumble. Oh, here's Spike's one. Oh. Oh. Oh, tumble! Ah! 3, 2, 1, go! he going? Oh, the bees! Oh, the poor bees!
It keeps like just going like on its own.
Yeah. Oh, wheelie! Oh, tumblewumble! We need to jump.
Yeah, we can get you a jump. See, I don't know if mine actually made it into second or not.
Third, you're taking third. Spikes go!
Run away on me. Try and get a little touch on it.
Oh, now you're walking.
Yeah, I'm saying.
Oh, that's probably the fuel done. I think we should build a jump.
Yeah, I think a jump would be worthy, Kev.
Oh, Spike's got Andy the Landy. Oh, and he slaughtered the pallet. So we're going to get the RCs. We're going to be jumping them over Andy the Landy. Hopefully not through the windows. So we got Andy the Landy. We've got a makeshift ramp. So we're just going to nail it and hopefully clear the Land Rover. But we don't want to miss and hit the window because that might be loads of carnage. But it'd be good for you guys. Oh! So come on, Mini Max, we've got to go for a good landing. Here we go.
Oh, perfect, but the camera's flown off.
I want to try and hit it wide open. Here we go, flash out. Oh!
I think we might need to rebuild the ramp, Kev.
What's going on down here, man?
It's so bumpy down there.
I can't do standing here.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah, Spikey, have a go.
Oh, I'll give it a go, Kev, but just be prepared for it to be in pieces. That's the first time I've even held a controller and you want me to do this.
Oh, and he misses. Hey. Oh! Oh! I'm still going. Oh! Go on, do another one. Oh, landed right on the back.
Oh, nice.
Hello.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, I didn't hear you. I thought you wanted. Kev, I didn't realise that's what you said.
I was like, run away. Spike's like, yes.
I thought you wanted me to flip it over and let it go.
Nearly had a runaway.
Well, you did have a runaway.
Well, nearly had a good runaway.
Yeah, yeah.
But it took it. It done one landing, didn't it?
Yeah.
Challenge, you've got to land it on the roof. That could be a challenge if you can get it in. Oh, battery's flat. Guys, no damages all day whatsoever. So massive thanks to Spike for letting us film over at his yard. We got his X-Max Savage going again.